Hey, I'm Bill. I'm here to review the Plusinno equipment they sent me. A few things you notice here. First of all, it comes with a lot of brightly colored plastic lures and a good selection of leaders. That's fine to have there. Very small lures there. I have to check to see what I'm going to do with those. This is interesting here that there's a lot of hard lures here too. And these are each individually wrapped, and that's good because right now it keeps the hooks from hurting you. And then there's some weights in here and just some other basic things in there, some sinker hooks. One first thing I notice about this is that there's a lot in here. It's very compact. It does close up like that. That's nice. But I would think that this would not be a good box to carry it around in. This is, it's packed full. And so if I was actually going to fish with it, I'd have to take things out, and once these are out of the plastic, it would be very difficult then to have them in there to be catching each other. So I assume that the box is just right now to get everything here. I'll have to get another actual box to carry everything because it is packed so full. One of the things I do to test how sharp and strong a hook is I get this is a Pepsi bottle, and I use that just to see, bend it like that, and then see if the hook goes, how hard it is for the hook to go through. Now that one I had to press pretty hard, but it's okay. A bass's mouth is pretty strong. Try it with a spoon here. Now that actually seems to be a better hook than this one. All these came with the Plusinno kit here. This is one of the special angled hooks that you see. And that one, a little bit harder to push through. The spoon went pretty well. Let's see about this one right here. This is on one of the stick baits. And that one, a little bit harder to go through. Could be the angle. Oh no, it went through. It's the angle of it. So it seems to me that these hooks are pretty strong, at least the ones that are on the lures themselves. These ones that come, these other ones they put in there that you can use for the soft baits, not quite as sharp. For the little kit itself that has all these things in it, I didn't catch anything, but that's not necessarily this fault. It's just could be the time of the day, the fish. We had a cold front go through, so sometimes that slows them down here. There seems to be a lot of interesting things in here. I'm not quite sure what to do with these little shrimp, the things they have here, both green and pink. I don't think there's a hook small enough in there to put on them. And then again, these little worms and grubs. Not sure exactly how I'll be using those, but I'll be interested in trying them out. I didn't try the tubes either. Mainly today I was trying the soft baits and a couple of the spoons and the other topwater and jigs and things. But I think this is a good deal. I think the box is too small to use this successfully other than just storing, but there's a lot of things in here, and I'm going to give it a good rating. So Plusinno, I think you guys a good thing going. Keep it up. Thank you.